Hey there, this is a sour mash for our pear wine. It's time to stir it today. Stir it every day for about 2 weeks, and then after, or 3 weeks, and then after 3 weeks, we're going to strain it out. And this is just an update. Smells nice and vinegary in here. Doesn't look very good, does it? Nice strong vinegar smell. You see it bubbling a little bit there. Just give it a good stir, scrape the sides there. Looks disgusting, but it's starting to smell better. Cover that back up, keep any bugs out of here. I wish I'd have had more. I got a late start on the pears this year. I thought they'd be done about September 1st, somewhere in there. So I really only got enough to make a little bit of wine and maybe 4 or 5 big jars of pear preserves. And that's it. Probably be about another 2 weeks before we strain it. I keep stirring it. All right, that's about it for stirring it. I think next year I'll try and do a lot more because I could have made a lot more preserves this year and a lot more wine. I've only got that little bit to do. I think there was probably more pears got wasted on the ground over there than I should have gotten before they got that bad. I mean, even walking under the tree, you could smell them. As soon as you walk on it, you could smell the vinegar already. But I'll keep you posted when we go to this is the first mash and then second mash. I'll follow that up so you can see what we do there. All right, thank you. If you like my content, subscribe, like, share, comment, hit the notification bell, all that. Appreciate it. Thank you.